Lauren Casey joins us now as the heat is on, we could say.
The heat is on, but thankfully we don't have the humidity to combo with that. So feels toasty, but doesn't feel super steamy.
Right.
And that's going to be the trend as we head into the next couple of days. Temperatures right now, 89 degrees in Philadelphia. We're at 82, some rain, cooled air sneaking into Allentown. We're down into the 70s due to thunderstorm activity that has been ongoing in the Poconos, 71 degrees in Mount Pocono, but still up at 85 degrees in Atlantic City. We do have a sea breeze in some locations. Feeling great at the Barnegat Lighthouse, 78 degrees, but warmer down towards Cape May at 86 degrees right now. Storm Scan 3 showing us we do have some storm activity mainly concentrated far north and west of the city, but we have this one cell that just wants to keep on going. And now the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning until 10:15 this evening for this cell that has been ongoing for the better part of 2 hours. And it continues to strengthen right now, impacting parts of northeastern Philadelphia County and stretched out into Burlington County, just right over the river right now. It's nearly stationary in its forward motion, but it is stretching its way northward up into Bustleton, and it's also stretching its way south and eastbound as well. So stretching over towards Pheasant Run. Heads up next, it could be Morristown, also Maple Shade, starting to see some light rain as it continues to stretch off to the south and east. East Pennsauken now seeing some of this activity. So again, flash flood warning in effect for these areas because of the heavy intensity rainfall in and around Cinnaminson, up into Bellevue, Palmyra, Tacony, and also the fact that it has been in progress now for the better part of 1 to 2 hours. Also do have the storm activity up towards the Poconos and Lehigh Valley right now. A little cell just off to the southeast of Allentown. Quite a bit of activity going right now across portions of Carbon County. Seeing this cell continue long-lived just south of Allentown right now. Frequent lightning and heavy rainfall embedded within that cell, so you could be seeing some localized flooding up towards Lehigh County. What to expect as we head into tomorrow and Thursday, we are going to increase our afternoon storm chances. Pretty typical summer-like days with morning sunshine and then storms firing after lunch, scattered in nature. And then as we lose the heating of the day, those storms will diminish. And as we head into the next couple of hours, we will see these cells that we have right now diminish as we lose that heating of the day. Overnight tonight, pretty quiet for the first half of the day, then scattered storms. You notice that coverage as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Slimmest chance for a storm tomorrow will be along the coast. Do have tropical depression Emily, not going to be a problem for us. Going to continue to move its way off to sea, but we are going to get busy as far as the tropics are concerned. We are on the precipice now of this exponential increase in tropical activity until we hit the peak on September 10th. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, isolated storms, 73 degrees as we head into our day tomorrow. 90 degrees of high temperature with that scattered afternoon storm activity. Later in the day, we'll see the storms developing on Thursday, but again, scattered in nature. And as we head into the upcoming weekend, clearing out by Saturday afternoon. Sunday, not a change to that forecast, still looking awesome.
Awesome. All right, cool. Thanks, Lauren.